Hey everyone, welcome back to the Clueless Dad. For the first time in a couple of months, I've got another cola taste test. Interesting cola taste test. So I think the last one I did was the Pepsi Christmas. When did I do that? November. And so now it's 2018, time to try something new. I'm actually in Indonesia right now. As you can see, I'm in a hotel. And I was walking around yesterday and I found Pepsi Blue. Actually, this is not the first time I've tried Pepsi Blue in Indonesia. For some reason, they sell it here, and it is interesting. So I thought I would share it. So it's extremely blue, as you can see from the bottle, but as you can tell from the top, that's partially because the bottle itself is blue. So even where there's no cola, it's super blue. So that's why I brought the glass, so we can actually see how blue it is. So as I've said, I've tasted this before, and not a fan. But it is blue and it is Pepsi, so why not try it? So nice and cold out of the fridge. Kept it cool all night. I'm gonna fly out today, so I can't take it on the plane because I don't have a check bag, so I'm gonna do it now even though it's like 9 in the morning. And it looks like, wow, that's extremely blue. I don't even know why they bother to make the bottle blue, because this stuff is like as blue as you can get for a liquid. Like, look at that. I don't know, what do you think? It's like the mouthwash or window washer fluid or Listerine. What else is super? That stuff they put the cones in the barber shop. Yeah, that is the deepest blue. Very, I mean, it's attractive as far as drinks go, as long as you're okay with it. I mean, there's other things that are blue, like the water inside the toilet. That's probably the first thing it reminds me of. So yeah, it's like a porta potty in a can or in a bottle. And yeah, it gets pretty dark actually if it's out of the light. So I've had it before. It's not gonna be a surprise, but let's just drink it. I'm trying to detect the difference between regular Pepsi and this. It has some kind of extra taste. Less cola-y, almost like as if it was like a Sprite or a lemon lime, but without the lemon. Soda watery, plus some blue stuff. I wonder what the flavoring is. It's all in Bahasa, I think so. Yeah, Composi, yeah. So no English on here anyway. So I can't even tell what the ingredients are, but I'm guessing just blue dye and maybe some kind of blue flavoring. And obviously sugar and water and carbon. So one other key thing is, as I mentioned, it's 2018. I actually had a New Year's resolution to stop drinking soda this year. Just because I thought, okay, maybe I'm gaining a little weight or it's not healthy. So I thought I would stop drinking cola, at least for a while. And today, I'm filming this on the last day of January. So, so far, so good. I actually made it the whole month without drinking. But I did make one caveat in my rule, which is if it's for my YouTube channel, I get to drink a cola. But it's only got to be a unique cola. I can't just do a video about regular Coke. So in this case, I saw the Pepsi Blue. I said, okay, this is worth it. So I think overall, I'm not going to give it a big thumbs down this time. My recollection was that it was worse than it is. Maybe if I finish this whole bottle, I might change my mind. But yeah, I'll give this one a 50-50. Not bad. Maybe just because I haven't drank a cola in a month. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed that. If you have any questions or feedback, do leave a comment. If you've enjoyed Pepsi Blue, aka Pepsi toilet water, aka Pepsi Listerine, aka Pepsi barbershop comb disinfectant, do leave a comment and let us know what you thought. I know they sell it in other countries besides Indonesia, but Indonesia is the only country I've seen in it. Anyway, that's it for today. See you guys next time. Bye. This is Coca-Cola ginger with ginger extract flavor. Let's try it out, see how it tastes. I'm guessing not so good, but let's see.